Above the clouds, the world feels different. Time slows. Noise fades. And all that's left is wind, stone, sky, and silence. This is not just a place, it's an experience. Welcome to the highlands, where life dances on the edge of heaven. From the Himalayas to the Andes, from the Alps to the Rockies, mountains have always pulled us towards something bigger than ourselves. Maybe it's their silence. Maybe it's their strength. Or maybe it's the way they teach us what truly matters. When you're above the clouds, cities vanish. Deadlines disappear. All that's left is now. Let's journey through some of Earth's most iconic and humbling peaks. The Himalayas, Nepal, Tibet, the highest place on Earth. Mount Everest stands as a frozen titan. But beyond the summit, there's a culture rooted in resilience and peace. Sherpas here don't just climb, they live in the sky. The Alps, Europe, from Switzerland to Austria, the Alps are a symphony of snow, jagged beauty, and storybook villages. A place where adventure meets elegance, and every hike feels like a dream. The Andes, South America. Stretching along the spine of an entire continent, the Andes are wild, diverse, and deeply spiritual. Home to ancient civilizations, sacred trails, and breathtaking summits like Aconcagua. The Rockies, North America. Majestic and raw, the Rockies offer forests, glaciers, and alpine lakes carved by time. Here, nature commands respect, and rewards it with views you'll never forget. But what is life really like above the clouds? Here, every sunrise is earned. Water is carried, not tapped. Food is grown on slanted earth. And oxygen is thin, yet spirits are full. Communities live in harmony with the mountains, guided by tradition, humility, and an unshakable sense of place. Climbing a mountain is more than a physical act. It's a quiet rebellion against comfort. It's a reminder that beauty lies in effort, and meaning in the journey, not the summit. Everyone climbs for a reason. Some for escape. Some for clarity. Some to remember. Others to forget. But everyone leaves change. Up here, the sky is your ceiling. Weather changes in minutes. A blue sky becomes a whiteout. A sunny trail becomes a thunderstorm. The mountain teaches patience, humility, presence. And at night, when the clouds clear, you see the stars as they were meant to be seen, uncut by light or noise. Just infinite, eternal, and blindingly beautiful. These sacred places need our care. Mountains may be giants, but they are not invincible. Climate change, over-tourism, and neglect threaten their fragile ecosystems. If you climb, do it with respect. Pack out what you bring in. Support local communities. And always, always, leave the mountain better than you found it. We climb to remember who we are. To return to something ancient, wild, and real. Life above the clouds isn't easy. But it's pure. And sometimes, that's enough. Tell us your mountain story in the comments. And if this journey moved you, like, share, and subscribe for more cinematic adventures around the world. See you above the clouds.